Hello, this is a spout doypack intended for soybean milk, and this doypack is produced for one of our Chinese customer. And you can see that there is the clear, semi-opaque, the clear, so the consumers can see the products inside, and also we can get a clear bottom. The consumers can see the products. For this soybean milk doypack, usually there are two types, and it is only intended for one-time use, and another is for the supermarket. They are different materials, and I'm going to show you more details in the future articles.